नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है राज के वर्मा और आप देख रहे हैं गोवा का पहला हिंदी नेशनल चैनल राष्ट्र टीवी। आज हम आए हैं गोवा के बेलोनिम बीच पर। यहाँ आज हम मुलाकात करने वाले हैं एक खास पर्सनैलिटी से। वो कहने के लिए तो एक फिशरमैन यानी कि मछुआरे हैं, लेकिन आज वो एक इंटरनेशनल पर्सनैलिटी बन चुके हैं, यानी कि एक इंटरनेशनल सेलिब्रिटी फिशरमैन, जिनसे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी से लेकर अमिताभ बच्चन, सचिन तेंदुलकर तक जब गोवा में आते हैं तो ज़रूर मिलते हैं। आखिर क्या है इस सब की कहानी, और इस सब के साथ बात करेंगे कि गोवा के ट्रेडिशनल फिशर्समैन के सामने क्या कुछ चैलेंजेस हैं, और बहुत सारी गॉसिप करने वाले हैं। तो अब आपको इंतज़ार नहीं कराते हैं, लेकर चलते हैं पेले द फिशरमैन के पास। आइए। और फाइनली हमने ढूंढ ही लिया है पेले को, और देखिए मछलियों के साथ जो है वो हमारा स्वागत करते हैं। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है राज टीवी पर पेले। तो अभी आपकी इस बकेट में क्या कुछ खास है? बहुत सारी वैरायटी दिख रही है।
Yes, this is a crab, sir. कुल्ली बोलता है उसको, कुंगड़ी यानी crab in English.
ये काटेगा तो नहीं?
नहीं काटेगा, it's fresh, but and this is dodiaro. I don't know what is called, but this is today's fish after sea get rough.
ये देखिए चलने की कोशिश कर रहा है ये।
Yeah. Everything is fish. This is the Goan's bar when we go to drink some alcohol. Some people, this is very popular fish called lepo.
ओह,
Yes.
तो ये सभी फ्रेश है, अभी ताजा
अरे,
है।
you see no, sir. Look.
देखिए यहाँ पर हलचल भी हो रही है। देखिए
Look, can you see? It's all live, real fish. Just now we catch.
ग्रेट।
Take my friend. Every day is a good day.
तो फाइनली पेले,
Yes, sir.
सबसे पहले जानते हैं कि एक फिशरमैन गोवा का,
Yeah.
एक मछुआरा, वो एक इंटरनेशनल पर्सनालिटी कैसे बना?
My video went more viral because of Sachin Tendulkar. He come to do and learn and see how the traditional fishermen of Goa, how hard work and how they do fishing. And when we fishing together with Sachin Tendulkar 1 hour, he understood the fisherman life is very tough but very beautiful without any problems. Like example, no pollution. They whatever they earn, they eat for today and tomorrow, and they are still happy and blessed. And that's how become we popular. After our Amitabh Bachchan came to us, Prime Minister of England, then Modi ji, our Prime Minister of India, he took me flag hosting in Delhi, 15 August. So all world saw us. And that means I don't want just popular, I want my village to become number 1 in India, which is Goa. And my traditional fishing and fishermen beaches, I want like this only. When you go, they see Goa, there is 2 coasts, we say. One is north and one is south. And our south, as you see, south we don't have buildings on the beaches. When you go north, it looks like a Bombay. But our Goan, South Goa fishermen maybe have less money, but they want their Goa should be as it is.
Exactly.
And that's why God bless us.
बिल्कुल आप ठीक कह रहे हैं। पूरा बीच देखिए यहाँ पर, एकदम साफ आपको बीच दिखेगा, कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन यहाँ पर नहीं। और जो सबसे बड़ी बात है, हम लोग भी जो अक्सर कहते हैं कि गोवा की जो ब्यूटी है, वो उसका जो ये नेचर है वही है, समंदर है, ये जो ग्रीनरी है, ये सब है। लेकिन अगर यहाँ कंक्रीट का जंगल बना देंगे तो जो आपने कहा वो बॉम्बे में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, सांस लेने के लिए जगह नहीं होगी।
Exactly, sir. See, today is August 22, yeah?
Yeah.
And yesterday I saw the video went viral from Bombay. The sea got on the road, water come on the road. Why this come cycling and all? We need more coconut trees, more greenery, not only concrete buildings and buildings. And you know, lot of rich people like Delhi wala, Punjab, Gujarati, Bombay wala come and meet us also privately because they knows we are popular fishermen. Like a month of May, one Punjabi rich man came to me where I was doing fishing with his wife and advocate from Tangier. So, sir, we have opposite your place where is Azaya Hotel. much square meter jamin. We want to have 39, if I am not wrong, 39 with swimming pool bangla. I said this we won't allow. We are happy as it is.
Exactly.
Maybe my village allowed hotels because hotels give our village people job and work. But bungalows we won't give. So we stop. Anyway, a few days ago they trying to fencing our village to start the bungalows. Our whole village come and stop. So that's how we are taking care
नहीं,
of.
बहुत अच्छी बात है। देखिए इस सब को, इस ब्यूटी को बचाना तो पड़ेगा ही। अब बात करते हैं जो ट्रेडिशनल फिशिंग है, क्या पहले के मुकाबले कुछ जो चैलेंजेस है बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़े हैं? क्योंकि मैंने आपके भी कुछ वीडियो देखे थे, कुछ और लोगों से भी बात हुई थी, और जो इलीगल फिशिंग होती है
Yeah.
वो ट्रेडिशनल फिशिंग के ऊपर किस तरह का इम्पैक्ट डाल रही है? क्योंकि फाइनली जो रोजी रोटी, मतलब जो आप लोगों की इनकम का जो सोर्स है वो यही है।
As you say, sir, the cameraman can show our boats. This is our traditional fisherman boat.
जी।
Each can be carry 1 ton or 2 ton or half ton. And we have not big net. We have a small net which can carry only 1 ton or half ton. We are not like a big fishing trawlers. The fishing trawlers from Gujarat, from Bombay, from Karnataka, they come with our ocean and grab as much fish they can. And we didn't have any support. The one day we gather around 500 fishermen and 100 women in our Panjim, capital of city, near the Coast Guard office. And we make a big hangama. We are helpless. Nobody help us. If the government won't help us, we will die or suicide, fishermen like Punjab farmers did. And these videos went viral. And somehow our Modi ji Prime Minister saw what happened. Peli ji Baika. He asked our CM of Goa, Pramod Sawant. Sawant called me. Pele, what happened? Why you did all media? I said, sir, we tell fishery department lot of time our difficulty and they are not listening. So Prime Minister told our CM Saab, and CM Saab from then he started catching this outside boat, and now we have good relaxation. So I hope this year it won't come like that again.
जो ये ट्रेडिशनल बोट्स हैं फिशिंग
Yes,
के
sir.
लिए, तो कितना अंदर तक जाती है ये समुद्र
Sir,
में?
one more I tell you, our traditional fisherman goes only 1 or 2 kilometers far from the seashore. And whatever come close to, that is our fish. And nowadays we catch only like, the biggest fish we catch like normally is half 1 foot or 2 foot. Before we used to catch big foot like 1 meter, 2 meter. Now this
देखा
fish,
था आपके होर्डिंग्स लगे थे कुछ बड़ी-बड़ी
exactly,
फिश
this
आपने
is called
hold
a
की हुई
sea
थी।
bass.
Yeah.
We used to catch this lot. COVID time when the boat is stopped very close by. Now we don't catch because most of the big fishing trawlers using LED light, and that is very bad for the common fishermen. If LED light is off, then traditional fishermen will also earn good. The big fish will come up. Now it's not come up because the wherever nighttime fish is there, no light is there, no sir. All fish come there and then they catch this. We only catch small fish like mackerel, we catch calamari, crabs, then sungta, prawns, then lot of like ladyfish and flatfish, kitefish, catfish. This is the what we catch. But tasty fish. But we are still blessed. We don't fight with anybody. We can only ask to the God. The fishermen should be friends and together with a nicer way. And we ask government. Otherwise, we are helpless.
गवर्नमेंट को क्या करना चाहिए, क्या डिमांड है आपकी कि जो ट्रेडिशनल फिशिंग है वो बची रहे? क्योंकि बहुत सारे फिशरमैन हैं जो इसी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है। क्या ऐसे आपकी डिमांड्स हैं गवर्नमेंट से?
Modi ji flag hosting in Delhi. Plus, I talk directly to fishery minister of India. My friend's wife give me handmade nice boat fisherman picture. That also I gifted to fishery minister of India. This is Goan fisherman gift. We build a relationship with them
Hmm.
just to look after our traditional fish
Hmm.
and fishermen, so we can look after our Goan people to give them fresh and good fish.
सचिन से जब आप मिले थे पहली बार, क्या कुछ गपशप हुई थी, क्या मस्ती मजाक हुआ था, कुछ याद
Sir,
है?
one thing I remember, Sachin is almost we are same age. He is very kind-hearted man. I don't think he should meet even small and traditional fishermen. He have time because when I say something on Google, who is the richest cricketer in the world? Even he is not playing, his name come first. The richest man, but he have no time for this. But he come and see in this village.
तो सचिन ने भी फिर गूगल किया कि रिचेस्ट फिशरमैन कौन है?
That I don't know, but look, the Sachin and me he was there and I was here like this. We are doing this
तो
one,
अभी yeah.
like this. Sachin and me was there, and I told his friend who was doing filming, Sachin bhai, today I am a richest man in the earth. Why? Because I really love Sachin. He is the best in cricket. He bring the Indian name #1. I told this media I am a richest man in this world because Sachin is doing fishing with me. I am rich in happiness. I mean.
ग्रेट ये सब जो एक्सपीरियंस है
Yeah.
अपने आप में हमेशा के लिए रहते हैं। और अमिताभ बच्चन से जब आप मिले उनको आपने
Yeah.
समुद्र में
Amitabh
लेके-
Bachchan was trusted me, sir. He was staying in one of the biggest hotel in South, and after I teach him jet ski, he learn in one day. He is a very challenging guy, and he took his 2 daughters. I think if I am not wrong, his son daughter, they was this young that time. He took by himself both the daughters. He is that time I think more than 60, but he is really very strong and challenging guy. I want lot of Indian people challenging guy like Sachin and our Amitabh Bachchan and all.
अभी क्लाइमेट चेंज भी हो रहा है। मैंने मार्च में देखा था ओले पड़े थे। नॉर्मली गोवा में तो मतलब ही नहीं है।
Yeah.
तो ये जो क्लाइमेट चेंज है क्या लग रहा है, ये जो बहुत सारा कंस्ट्रक्शन अब जो आ रहा है वही एक इसके पीछे रीजन है?
Sir, we really Goans are much better than other states. When there is new project come like this 500, 200, 300, 100 buildings, we always gathering and oppose. And now this year we have to fight lot with our government to stop this. And we are hoping and praying to God, our government will stop this. We don't need this. We don't need this buildings well. We don't need outsider who come to Goa like Delhi, Bangalore. These people invest money on properties. Let's the Goan properties should be have Goans. We have enough good business like fishing, farming, terry topper, then other type of farming. We will be blessed. Like almost 30% of Goans families are gone to abroad because we used to have a Portuguese passport.
Yeah.
So now there is only few Goans are here and few Goans are all over the world. We don't need much money. We need small, but we need peace. And that's how we are proving to our India. Behind me, front, you see, we don't have buildings on the beaches. Only hotels. So hotels give our village food and money. That's what we want. Olden times, when my father was fishing, that is the age around 30, 50 years ago. They was always eating peas. I think it's called kanji. Peas means boiling water with rice. They was drinking that with a barbecue fish. And after 1 o'clock, they was having always feni because it's easy to grow and easy to make because the feni is from Goa. But that traditional is not now. Our Goans are drink, but only limited.
बाहर से जो लोग आते हैं उनके लिए कौन सा फिश जो है आप सजेस्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि गोवा में आप हैं तो आपको बहुत डिफरेंट टाइप के फिश आप लोग आते हैं, पसंद है आपको, लेकिन बाहर से आने वाले लोग बड़े ही ना सिलेक्टिव होते हैं।
Yeah.
तो आपके हिसाब से कौन सी फिश उनको?
I always recommend my Goans, Indians and foreigner people, the best fish to eat is like gobro, which is cod fish, You can eat nice pomfret, that's the best. Then prawns, lobsters, and crabs. You know, Goan Sea is one of the cleanest sea in the world or India, I can tell you. As you see, this ocean is behind there is Dubai.
Yeah.
And we have no pollution here, very clean. And our sand, like look, our sand is no pollution, very clean. You see, very clean. You see our water is white. Even yesterday we have a cyclone and tufan. The Goan fish is the best and healthy without pollution, I can tell people of the world.
हैवी रेन्स के दौरान तो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स होती होंगी फिशिंग के लिए।
Yeah.
कौन सा टाइम रहता है खास तौर से, क्योंकि बीच में जब बहुत ज़्यादा रेन्स है और भी कई चीज़ें रहती है तो फिशिंग बंद हो जाती है।
Yes.
तब कहाँ से फिश आती है गोवा में?
So that's what I am saying. The fish come from Calcutta. Fish come from Gujarat, Bombay, and Karnataka. But now, seriously, people don't eat lot of fish from outside because there is some reason. They don't trust the fish. Everywhere is chemical makes problem. So now lot of people, like per day I have at least 30 to 20 calls. Peliji, if there is any fish, I said yes ma'am, yes sir, you come to Benaulim beach, you will get fresh fish. Even we have 100 buckets per day. It's all finished on the beach because people want to eat healthy and live healthy.
आज आप जब समंदर में गए मछलियां पकड़ने के लिए, कौन
Today-
कौन सी मछलियां आपको
Sir,
मिल गई?
today we not gone in the deep sea.
Okay.
There is one more fishing. You just leave the net from the beach and you can catch fish with whatever
अच्छा,
you
इतना
can.
नजदीक होती है फिश?
Yes, that's what I am saying. The traditional fishermen can earn lot of money if there is no LED and outsider trawler not come our ocean. We can make big money. But this, I have trust this year. The government, like captain of port and fishery department, listen our rules. Stop is stop. Then our traditional fishermen will earn something.
वहाँ दूर बहुत सारी बोट्स दिख रही
That
हैं।
I am saying, sir. You can, if there camera, you can look. There is our main fishing village called Wadi Beach, Benaulim. There is around 100 fishing chota boats, and this area is lesser and lesser. Why? Because all traditional fishermen is living on the beach, sir, and they have like families like 1,000 and 4,000 people, only fishermen in Benaulim. So government have to listen and give us relaxation. And we really praying for our government. They should have this courage to stop outsider boat coming to Goa ocean, which is only 105 kilometers sea or coast.
बहुत बार ऐसा भी होता होगा, मॉर्निंग में बोट्स लेके जाते हैं फिशरमैन और खाली हाथ लौटना पड़ता है।
Lot of time, sir. Lot of
तो
time.
वो जो पेन है, क्योंकि आप टाइम भी लगा रहे हैं, पैसा भी खर्च हो रहा है, सारी चीजें, और कुछ हाथ में नहीं आया है।
That is not only one time. If we go 10 times, we come hardly 50%, 5 times. That's why I am saying these traditional fishermen are not much rich, but they are happy. They are taking good care of their kids and mother and father. And they don't want to have only richness in our village. If they want richness in our village, illegally they will take bakshish from this Delhi, Gujarat, Bombay's builders. The only wealth is left is land. Now our fishermen is starting buying land from Delhi wala. They said, चलो
नहीं
तुमको
देंगे।
लैंड नहीं दिएगा। अभी हमारा बच्चा लोग दुबई, इंग्लैंड, जर्मनी, हॉलैंड, अमेरिका, हे वो पैसा लेके लेगा। This is now this power come from South Goa, and after listening from South Goa power, I hope North Goa will do same thing. We will not allow any Punjabi, Delhi wala, Bombay wala to build or destroy our land, sir. Even if MLA or Panchis or other politician won't support us, we will give our blood for our earth. That is our word.
नहीं नहीं, बहुत अच्छा है। और जिस तरह से आप लोग काम कर रहे हैं और एक अच्छी बात है, अपनी संस्कृति को, अपनी ज़मीन को बचाना, ये जिम्मेदारी आप लोगों की ही है। क्योंकि गोवा जाना ही इसलिए जाता है और लोग इसीलिए आते हैं कि यहाँ खूबसूरत बीच है, बहुत सारी ग्रीनरी है और इसी को एंजॉय करने आते हैं। और यहाँ बहुत सारे विला, होटल्स और अपार्टमेंट्स अगर खड़े हो जाएंगे तो फिर कौन आएगा गोवा में। गोवा खाली हो जाएगा, सिर्फ वो बड़ी बड़ी इमारतें नजर आएंगी जो कि एक कंक्रीट के जंगल की तरह दिखेंगी और यहाँ सांस लेना भी बड़ा मुश्किल होगा। बहुत अच्छा लगा पहले आपसे मुलाकात करके, बड़ा मजा आया। और यही एक खासियत है कि जब इंसान कुछ चाहता है कि उसे अपनी लाइफ में अचीव करना है तो ऊपर वाला भी उसकी पूरी मदद करता है। और पेले आज सिर्फ एक फिशरमैन नहीं है, एक बड़ा नाम है। जब भी कोई बड़े लोग आते हैं पेले से ज़रूर मिलते हैं, वाटर स्पोर्ट्स इनके साथ करते हैं और ये हर रोज़ मछली भी पकड़ने जाते हैं। हम भी प्लान यही था कि समंदर में जाके पेले के साथ वो एक्सपीरियंस लें, लेकिन अगली बार वो भी करेंगे क्योंकि अभी बरसात का मौसम है और फिलहाल की जो कंडीशंस है वो अलाउ नहीं कर रही है इस वक्त समंदर में जाने के लिए। लेकिन वो मौका भी हम, वो एक्सपीरियंस भी ज़रूर पेले के साथ करेंगे एक दिन, कि समंदर में जाके ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमैन जो है किस तरह से मछलियां पकड़ते हैं और किस तरह के चैलेंजेस समंदर के अंदर होते हैं। हमें लगता है कि नहीं, ये जो मछली पकड़ कर लेकर आए हैं बड़े ही सस्ते से दामों पे हमें दे दीजिए, लेकिन उसको समंदर से मार्केट तक या लोगों तक लाने के लिए बड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बड़ा मजा आया पहले। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Every day is a good day. You can come always to take our interview of Goan fishermen.
श्योर श्योर।
Welcome to Goa.